Tapcons are really great for anchoring into concrete. They have a special thread design on them that all you need to do is drill a pilot hole, and then once you put the tapcon in the concrete, it is really stuck in the concrete. It works really well in anchoring and staying in. Most commonly, we'll use 1/4 inch tapcons and 3/16 tapcons. 3/16 are the smaller of the two, and they actually make tapcons up to 1/2 inch, which is really thick. It's important to get the right size drill bit for the tapcon you're using, and these are special masonry drill bits that have carbide tips so they can drill through the concrete block. This is a 3/16 tapcon that comes typically in a box with a 3/16 drill, but if you're buying separately a drill, you got to make sure you buy a 3/16 drill. If your drill bit's a little bit too small, then whenever this goes in, there's going to be too much friction and the head of it can snap off. Today we're going to be installing some 1/4 inch tapcons, so we're going to use the 1/4 inch drill. Some cordless drills like this one do have a hammer mode, but I found that typically just a corded hammer drill that's specialized for hammer drilling does better. We bought this hammer drill probably about 10 years ago at Harbor Freight for $11, and it's been working really well since. Whenever you tighten these chucks, you want to go around all 3 of the spots. You'll get a little bit more grab each time. You'll feel it turn a little bit on each one you go to. It's important you don't drill the hole too small, so what I'm going to do is take a look at the tapcon here and see that I need to go right here. So I'm just going to go the whole length of the drill bit to make sure that my hole is long enough. If you end up drilling the hole too small, what'll happen is this will bottom out on the hole and then just strip out all the threads. Because these are masonry bits, they don't go through wood very well, so you want to have your hole pre-drilled. You also want to make sure that the drill bit is going the correct direction or else you'll burn it out. With a good sharp drill bit and a good hammer drill, it makes quick work of the concrete block. I like to use a ratchet with an 8mm socket so I can put it in by hand. If you put it in with an impact, sometimes you can, say if you bottom out, you won't know it until you strip it out. With a ratchet, you can feel if you bottom out, and you can take it back before it's too late. It should be snug in that hole, but not too snug. You want it to slide through. If it really starts tightening up, that's bad. Sometimes if it feels like it's binding up, you might just need to switch the ratchet, back it up a little bit, and then keep going. And I'll go ahead and snug it up. Now with everything screwed together, I can really lay into this.